Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about what is Zapier and how does it work, and also I will show you in this video. Imagine you have a magical assistant that can connect all your favorite apps and automate the repetitive tasks you dread doing. That's Zapier. It's a tool that lets you apps talk to each other so you can set up workflows called Zaps. They do the busy workflow for you. With Zapier, you can save time and focus on what really matters by creating a seamless digital ecosystem where everything just works together effortlessly. Now, how does this work? So I will just give you an overview on this. Zapier operates through a system called Zaps, which are automated workflow that connects your apps. Here's a simple breakdown how it works. The first thing, which is called trigger, a specific event in one app start the workflow. For example, receiving a new email in a Gmail. Action, this is a task performed by another app as a result of this trigger. For instance, creating a new row in a Google Sheet. Now, the third thing is automation. Once set up, Zapier runs its workflow automatically. So you don't need to do this manually and no human requirement is there. By setting up these apps, you can create a chain reaction where one action leads to another and whole process complete in just few seconds. Now let's talk about the Zapier products. So here we are into the website. Now, as you can see here, this is Zapier products. Once you click here, the drop down will show you each and everything what Zapier provide you. The first one is Zapier Editor, a user-friendly interface for creating and managing Zaps. Zaps tables, a database solution to store and manage data using with your Zaps, right? Now this is interface and path here. Now same thing, conditional logic that lets you create advanced workflow based on the different conditions. Zapier Transfer and Zapier Webhook allow you to trigger Zaps from custom event in your apps. Now this is Zapier solution. So this is the best thing I like about the Zapier. Marketing automate, it will do you the marketing for you, sales, ID engineering, operation, customer support, and whatever you want to do with it, right? And it will also help you for the community forums, Zapier University, blogs, and resources. You can just go here if you just want to get more deeper into Zapier. You can take down here. Now let's talk about the pricing, right? So here, this is a pricing. Let me show you. Let's go to the pricing here. Click on this pricing, and automatically you will be up here. Now this is a free, so of course you can always use it for free, limited to 5 apps. It means you can just automate only 5 things here and 100 tasks per month, right? Now this is a starter plan. Starter plan is just, you can talk about this, right now there's a no starter plan, but usually there was a plan which you can use a starter plan. It was around $20, but here let's talk about the professional. Here you will just get a lot of features, right? Highly task limit starting at $49 per month, team planning designed for teams with shared workspace and advanced admin control starting at $300 per month, right? So yeah, this is a quite they charge you a good money, but of course this service is pretty good. By leveraging this product solution and resources, you can just use the full power of Zapier, and it's truly magical. Now let's talk about the benefits, and I will show you that how you can just get it and how you can sign up for this, right? So using Zapier can feel like having a bit of magic at your fingertips, and I'm not truly lying. Here are some of the things. It will save your time, increase efficiency, seamless integration, up to 3,000 apps, right? So it has a very large pool of apps. Scalability, customization, real-time update, ease of use, collaboration, cost-effective, and whatnot. So once you're here into the website of Zapier, on the top right, you will see this option of login or sign up, right? You can always go and choose any of here. It doesn't matter. If you just want to test it out, just go and click on sign up. I don't have an account, so I will just show you how you can make an account here. I will just use my Google account because that is a lot. Now, once you enter your Google ID or any different email here, it will ask you what's your role. So I just want to work as a, you can choose here. If you don't have any option or you don't know what to choose, you can always go for others. For example, it's regarding my customer support, right? So I will just go there. And what's your company size? It's very small. Now here, what do apps you use? So I use, Google Sheets and a lot of apps, but there's a lot of apps and I don't want to just keep selecting one by one because it will just take a huge time to do this. So here you can just skip this question if you don't want to answer because I don't want to do this. Now here, of course, Zapier also has a AI integration. This is a beta version, so still it is in a testing period. Now here I will just start and show you an example. On the left side you will see a lot of option. Once you just get to know what how Zapier you can use it, automatically you will come to know. So let's say you can always go and create, and you can just create with your own apps automation here, but this is template because these are the most used. I will just go and use my Google attachment to Google Drive, right? So once you click on here, on the left side you can see, so whenever I get a new attachment, right, so what I can just mention here that what the next update or next step should be. So first of all I will just go here and go add a rule or something. For example, I can just read here, if this attachment is regarding, for example, if this attachment is regarding my job, then of course it should go to the this part and automatically send that resume to the given email address which stated in the email address, right? So in this way you can just automate, you can just be creative, and it's really interesting to use a Zapier. And same thing, so one action, just create a chain reaction, and you can just go and keep connecting here. For example, after Google Drive you can just go and add a different space, and here a lot of application you can always search for it. For example, I also have a data, so I'll just go and create my Notion here. Now automatically enter the email address, whatever the email address I have got the mail, so automatically here it will create a data on Notion. Of course you just need to create an account, it will just do it instantly, right? So it's really easy, and you can just create a chain reaction, and once you're done you don't need to look back into this because everything will be done automated. So make sure you always do a test before finalizing each and everything. Here you can watch a video and you will get an idea how to use it properly here. Right now let's go to home here, and same thing, this is a template. If you scroll down, it's nothing, you can just go and create everything if you want. For example, I can go and create zaps. I already explained you each and everything here. I mostly use Zap and tables. Interface is also good, and chatbot and canvas is just in a beta version, so still they are in the testing period. As you can see here, I'm using a free plan here, so I can just only automate up to 1,000 tasks, and Zaps is right now unlimited. That's really good. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.